of musical appearances at Blink. I mean, right in the midst. She played till like 1 o'clock last night. Jess Lamb is playing at several venues during the event. Tonight, she'll be at the Freedom Way stage playing with Black Signal, but this morning, she has agreed to join us to talk about that experience and everything else that is going to be going on down at Blink. Thank you for coming in. This is early for somebody who was playing until 1 o'clock.
Thanks for having us. I love it. This is a life. We love it. We love coming in here.
Good. Yeah. We love when you're here. So how was Blink last night? Was it just amazing?
Last night I got to see a little bit of what was happening. Last night we performed at the Hilton. So it was cool to see all the people from all over the nation just coming in for Blink. Such great vibes for our city. So tonight I'll be doing a special performance with Black Signal. It'll be fun. Tomorrow, Jess Lamb, The Factory, my band is playing at the Finley Market stage, 9 p.m. Be there. And then I'll be doing a special solo performance at Revel OTR on Sunday. Stripped down on the piano, sharing some songs. So
you are
weekend.
Fully involved in Blink. You're going to be blinking every night this week.
Blinking every night.
Yeah, okay, I love it. What were some of the coolest things that you saw down there? I mean, you were playing, so you probably didn't get to see a lot of the parade and that type of thing.
Right, I did miss the parade, which I hated to miss the parade, but it's so neat how even like the venues that aren't officially Blink venues are lighting up their venues. Like the Hilton was lit up like amazingly. The Art Deco is just lit up with pink and purple and blue, and it's amazing.
Yeah, the whole city and even over in Kentucky, everybody's embracing it, which is really neat.
And so many bands. I can't even name them all, but so many bands. And for this to be a free event, it's priceless.
I know. And all the appearances are free too, right? I mean, there's dozens of bands that you can see for free when you're walking around.
Absolutely.
I love that. Well, we want to hear from you right now, so I'm going to turn it over to you. Give us a little taste of what you can see when you check out Jess Lamb.
Thank you.
Your joy will come in the morning. Don't be afraid of the pain. Your path unwinds to the ocean. Run away, run away. Your joy will come in the morning. Don't be afraid to rule the day. It is well, it is well with my soul. It is well, it is well with my soul. Your joy will come in the morning. Stay awake till sunlight breaks. The new dawn brings a new story. Keep the faith. Today's your day. Your path unwinds to the ocean. Sink right in. You can begin again. Your joy will come in the morning. Don't be afraid to rule the day. It is well, it is well with my soul, with my soul. It is well, it is well with my soul, with my soul. Joy will come in the morning. Your sun will shine in its glory. Just say